Are you looking to rent a flat but struggling with the language barrier? Look no further than my Renting a Flat English podcast lesson. In this podcast episode, you will hear the characters talking about renting a flat in English. So whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this lesson is perfect for anyone looking to navigate the rental market. So tune in now and make your flat hunting experience a breeze. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful lessons by Look and Listen English Lessons with Sharon Fay. Happy flat hunting, everyone! Hi there, listeners. We are about to listen to a phone conversation between a young college student and a landlord. Are you familiar with the word landlord? Let me know in the comments below what it means. Hello?
Yeah, hi. I'm calling about the flat for rent. Is it still available?
Hello? Yes, it is.
Is it nice as in the picture? I mean, I really cannot see it today.
Yes, it is a very nice flat. It is a renovated flat, and yes, you can have a look this afternoon.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, how much is the rent, please?
It's £960 per month.
Oh, are the utilities included?
No, I'm afraid you'll have to pay them yourself.
Oh, I see. When is the rent due?
On the first of each month, it's paid in advance.
Well, see. Will the rent go up? Because I'm a student and I just started a new job,
I see. Well, not until the end of the lease. When your lease expires, the rent may go up. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, how much is the security deposit?
It's month rent.
Oh, so what if I sublet?
Well, yes, I suppose you can, but you must get written permission from us first.
How much notice do I need to give if I want to leave early? Let's say, I don't know.
Well, you need to give a month a notice. It's the decent thing to do.
Well then, so who do I contact if there's a problem? Let's say, I don't know, something comes up, problem.
Me, of course.
When will the flat will be available?
Next month. Look, are you serious or not? How about looking at the flat first and then I will gladly answer all of your questions, huh? Oh.
Well, thank you. I need to think about it. I'll let you know. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Oh, sure you will. Students. Hi there, listeners. In advance means before a particular time. A rental lease means a rental contract. To expire means to come to an end. A security deposit means money you pay when you start to rent a flat and which is given back to you when you stop renting it. Utilities. Utilities means a service that is used by the public, such as electricity or gas, water supplies, and such. A sublet means to rent out the flat or part of the flat that you are renting. Permission is when you allow somebody to do something. And to give notice means to inform someone or something. Thanks for listening to Look and Listen English Lessons podcast. To continue improving your English, you are welcome to join my channel and watch the videos on different topics and levels. Till next time, bye bye.